Hello! In this video, we are going to see how we can open up our terminal emulator program, which will give us access to the shell, and hence, we will be able to execute the commands that we are going to learn throughout this course. And we are going to see how we can open up the terminal on 3 different Linux distributions. So here we have Ubuntu, Unity. So if you want to open up your terminal on Ubuntu, all you need to do is just go on the top left-hand corner of your screen, which to the dash icon here. This is called the dash icon, which have the Ubuntu logo on it. And if you click on it and you just type terminal, this should bring up your terminal and you're good to go. And here is your terminal. If you want to make sure you opened up the right thing, all you need to do is just type date and with all lowercase, and you just hit enter, and this should show you the current date. Okay. Also on Ubuntu by default, there is a shortcut that you can use to open up your terminal, which is Ctrl-Alt-T. So if you use the shortcut Ctrl-Alt-T, this should bring up your terminal on Ubuntu. And again, it will show you the date if you type date. Okay, so that's for Ubuntu. Now we would see how we can do the same thing using Fedora. So here I'm using Fedora, the GNOME version. So if you want to open up your terminal on Fedora, all you need to do is just go to the activities on the top left-hand corner. And if you type here terminal, this should bring it up, and then you just click on it. And here you have it. And if you want to make sure you opened up the right thing, all you need to do is just type date, lowercase letters, hit enter, and this should show you the current date. Awesome. Now we would see how we can open up the terminal on OpenSUSE, the KDE version. I'm using the KDE version here, which is almost like a Windows system. Okay, so if you want to open up the terminal on OpenSUSE, all you need to do is just go to the start menu here, or the main menu on the bottom left corner of your screen, and this you should see it right away here. But even if you don't see it, you can go to the terminal, and you would see the name may be like a console here. Just open up the console, they are the same thing, and here you will have it. And if you want to make sure, you just type date, and this should show you the current time and date. Or you can go to the main menu and you just select applications and then system, and then here you have your terminal. So yeah. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. Now you know how to open up your terminal, and now you're ready to learn some cool Linux commands. See you in the next video. Ciao!